Hello, beautiful folks. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just onto the trees where they are just medding them. Here I'm just to the nursery beds where I'm trying to buy some of the trees to go and plant back at my home. I'm just back at my home at Nyabuhansi in the border of Kenya and Tanzania. I've just come on all the way from just Bungoma. Right now I'm not at Bungoma, but I'm still back at my home. I've just bought some of the good trees here, which they have just sell unto me in a good price, where I'm just going to plant them back at my home to bring a good condition way. Here are some of the good water where they are just taking this water so that they can generate to these some of the trees so that they cannot be dried on. Guys, I'm trying to vlog at this area. There are different types of trees which are just occurring onto this place, guys. You can be able to see on how they are just trying to occur at this gancha, guys. But still, I'm still vlogging, you know. Some of the good trees, even some of the shares, some of the avocados, some of the acamras. You know, every good tree is just a medicine, guys. You know, here they have just tried to do some of the tank on top of this place so that they can just generate water to these trees. But unfortunately, there's something that goes wrong. Here they have only tried to take this here. This is the type of PPR, but it's a black pipe. We call it a black pipe, guys. A black pipe. They have tried to generate it from here, guys. Inside here. Here is the river where they are generating water from, guys. You can be able to see. Let us walk and then you will see how it just brings. It's just occurring good, guys. You can be able to see on how it's just going on, guys. Here is the tree plantation, guys. When you need a good tree, you just come out to this place and see on what is just going on, guys. These are some of the thorns. When you want to fence around your compound, you're gonna use the thorns, guys, and everything is just becoming good one on one. Mura, amanganir. Kumbe nuwo hano. Hey. Atero, nine mete hano ngora. Ee. Nigo bene. Hano nacha guchoro onde. Kanyoriri mumure hanuiga. Nkananhi nkabachangere mete chai. Ee, tiangora gore metero nimi. Bangu gikaruri go ucha kunyoria omote gogora guturia hasi.
Keep the vegetation clean.
Yeah. You know, I had always tell you guys that in Africa everything is just in greenish, guys. You know, Africa has a lot of the greenish, even at any elsewhere. Always in Africa is always the greenish plants, guys. You're gonna see on how the nursery are just in beauty way. Labda utafute tu polepole uone. Juu sisi tuko na haraka sana. If trying to search a certain fruit here, we are trying to search it. Inangiti kita. Lakini ndondashanga matawi sana. Ndondashanga matawi. Tafuta tu hiyo moja. Hivi utatusaidia. There's a certain fruit which you are trying to search out. The guy has just told us the fruit is here, but we are just saying we are not in a hurry way, as we are just approaching the trees one on one to see if we're gonna find it, guys. You know, in a future way, the tree gonna just help us, guys. We want to bring a good conducive air in our environment, guys. Do you see up there even some of the good, they're just doing some of the plantations of the trees, you know, all of this side, guys. These are some of the good trees. Coming up here also, these are some of the trees which are just even occurring there. If you go to mnane mo fenesi. Amu tupatie fenesi badala hiyo ingine. Kama hiyo basi, iko tusaidie. Iko juu.
Wacha nitafutia hiyo.
Kwa hiyo tu fenesi. Kwa fenesi ama hiyo ingine.
Kwa fenesi. Unasema ni tupatie fenesi.
Kama hiyo imekosekana. I'm trying to say that if the fruit is not occurring and is not appearing, let us found another fruit way so that we're gonna plant on them, guys. Wow. Let us try and see. Kote wako nga sana kote. Ani kora kukina. Mahakora kuno kunyora ko ngari hanse. Aka kugucha kukine nyora na hakongu. Ombuya kore. This is a tree, guys. This is a good tree. This is a good tree. This is a good tree, guys. Let us say, wanahan okora hika ndatuna emetigiga nirigana kere keno sasa no miasara sini sasa ndatuniga tuche timu kihani kegende ndatuna kemia mbina tunangotegera ni kejimbia na tunangotegera ni atatu tatu ndikira ni tantigen. Conducir ni bueno. It's just removing some of the trees, guys. It's just removing some of the trees. Sasa yo negerenga sabini ukurusya. Yo kihikire. Take turu ekano. Yo netano. Tata churusyo moto motambe kuria. Agwa.
Utaenda kuingia na maji sana ingine tukisema.
Wange kujari. Harahanyi.
Tunaifanyia hadi
guys, here I'm still just here. I'm trying to take some of the good trees. This I've just taken them. Like now I want to explore back to my home. Let us see on how we are just going to plant these trees back at my home, guys. Continue watching at this video. Still watch until the end.
Ivichango tema. Finally I'm back at home where I'm trying to plant some of the seedlings which I've just gone to buy. Guys, it's only the strongest man in Africa, guys. Only the strongest man in Africa. Oh. this to my seat where the drink is, guys. Just going to this way, guys. One, I've not watered these seedlings, but I'm going to water them, guys. Just planting it in a dry place, guys. I'm sure of these trees will just make me to be happy one day, one time. And I'm praying for rain to rain at this Gante, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Keep enjoying to this video, guys. I'm finally planting the seedlings, guys. I'm finally planting the seedlings, and I'm praying to God to bring out the rain. Wow. How amazing it is. The rain will come, the roots will go down way, as the top of these trees will be shooting out. Oh. Let us try and see where God's plants are. Oh my God. Will this seedling will occur good, or how will it occur after some time, guys? See, the sun is running out, but see, we appreciate on everything that's going to occur. Nisikie. Unajua kustopisha pia na ni mbili za hapo. Guys, I have just planted this. I'm now watering on them. So we are trying to endure our service, guys. You can be able to see this on the South African map, guys. I'm serving them little water because it's just in the evening. The water will not be evaporated, but they will be calming down here, and everything will be okay, as good as well as it can, guys. You see, guys, we are just planting some of the good trees here. I'm making them to be wet, guys. Wow. Only strong African. Wow. Guys, this is how the plantation is just going on, guys. This is how plantation is just going on, guys. See, look, guys. Wow. Today and tomorrow is another day. Keep it tuned, keep it locked, guys. And to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Please relax and enjoy.